Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is I want to show y'all again another early SB Dunk Low. We're going to be doing an on-feet video for the Bronx Girls Skate SB Dunk Low, which keep in mind these are dropping in December. I've had this pair for a bit, and I've been thinking about towing these, and you know what? I said we'll tow these today, and we'll do a little on-feet video. So such a crazy pair in hand. You got lots of details with these, and we're going to get into, well, discussing this pair right here, showing y'all again potential release date, everything up close, what they look like on feet, and if it is a comfortable pair, because you have a ton with this sneaker. I mean, there's just a lot to show, so I hope you guys will enjoy. If y'all do want more early SB Dunk Low content, then go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget the normal goal that we always shoot for in this video is 300 likes. If you can do that, that'd be great. If not, absolutely no worries. Just make sure you guys check out my Instagrams or my Whatnot Lives down below. Don't forget we do business at both those locations, along with on my website, wickskicksllc.com. Make sure y'all check that out. Use code Black Friday for 10% off anything. Everything will be shipping this weekend if you ordered something recently. So yeah, I really do appreciate y'all that have tuned in recently there or on the Whatnot Lives to do kicks, streetwear, a little bit of everything. So feel free to come tune in if you want to. And yeah, that's everything I really need to say. I hope y'all will enjoy. Let me know your thoughts on this SB Dunk Low down below in the comments. And well, let's get into reviewing them a little bit early, showing y'all what they look like on feet, because they might be a little bit hard to pull off. I don't know. We'll see. Let's get into it. If there's anything I forgot to mention too, I feel like I forgot something, it's in the pinned comment. Feel free to check it there. All right. Let's get started. So getting into this SB Dunk Low, we're gonna just have a regular sale box. Don't forget, right? That is just a replacement box, but from what I know, it's just gonna be a regular sale box because it is a collaboration, right? Keep that in mind. All right, so getting into the Bronx Girls Skate SB Dunk Low, I'm gonna show y'all both of them side by side like this. So you guys can see we have a mismatching look right here on the shoe right off the bat. So you guys might be able to notice what we have right there. So you can see kind of that green outline and that red outline, and then you can see we have some orange on it as well. Now, I could be wrong on this, feel free to correct me, but I believe the overall look that we have with the green and red along with the white on the swoosh, I believe it is based off the Mexican flag. I could be incorrect on this. Feel free to correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but that's what I believe it is based off, because the female Nike skater, Cara, right here, as you guys can see, I believe that is for her. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Feel free to correct me in the comments if I am, but that's what I believe it is based off, just off the overall look. You guys can see we also, right, have some orange. This is why I think I could be wrong, right? It's because we have some orange, right? Obviously there isn't any orange on the Mexican flag from what I know, right? But again, feel free to correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe something changed. But you guys can see what we also have right here. You guys can see it says Bronx Girls Skate Club right there. So that's BXGS for Bronx Girls Skate. So you guys can see that right there. And I believe that's on the other one as well. I'm checking right now for you guys. Yeah, it's on the other one as well. So you guys can see it just says Bronx Girls Skate on both of them, kind of like some charms on the toes right there. So that's pretty cool. You guys see again that black leather look. This is probably my favorite portion of the shoe, I'm not gonna lie. It's the overall look at the leather. Something about that wins me over. This is the main reason I'm towing this pair. It's just like how that leather looks. I don't know what it is. Here, I'm gonna try and get it to focus, but you guys might be able to see that. I mean, check that out. Such a clean look right there. And you guys see also the soles that we got on these. Take a look, take a look. Bronx Girls Skate, as you guys can see, so super clean. And again, that's the Subway, I believe. Might be wrong on that, but I'm pretty sure we're right on that one. And then of course just kind of like the translucent icy sole look. You're gonna win me over every time with that. So I'm very, very excited to tow these and show you guys what they look like on feet. I'm just gonna show you guys again when I'm like out and about doing my daily work. I'll just kind of show y'all what they look like. Then we'll do a quick we'll discuss them, of course, when I got some time to just kind of stop and show y'all you know, when I'm out and about. So we'll have some time to do that. And yeah, we'll keep the video going that way. But we also have more to show. We have more to show. Don't forget. We've shown you all this pair before, but I'll do it again. You guys see it says the Bronx rules the world, I believe. Oh no, it says the Bronx the world. There we go. The world, the Bronx. And then you guys see the New York hang tags. And now, you guys see that Nike embroidery as well, right? And you guys see that's really why I think it is, again, based off the Mexican flag. You guys see, again, that look right there. Just with the colorway overall. I think it is. I might be wrong, but again, correct me in the comments if I am. You guys see these hang tags right here, right? On the heel. These, I do not believe are removable. I do not believe they are. I've been trying to check to see if you can like push this down to like remove it. You know what I mean? If it was like a pin or something, you can't remove it. So for anybody who was asking about that, these stay on, so just keep that in mind. But I really don't mind it. It's not like a bad part of the shoe, and actually it adds a little bit to it. And if you're a New York resident, hey, I feel like you'd probably love that right there. So hey, for my New York residents, you got some little fire for y'all right there. But that's what I can say again about the Bronx Girl Skate. Just giving a quick little in-hand glimpse. Now let's show y'all what these look like on feet, because I know that's what most of you guys are here for today, is to see again what this sneaker looks like on feet. We do have a couple more things to show real quick, so I'll do that real quick, and then we'll do that, right? So you guys can see right there on the tongue tag, you guys can see it says Nike SB, then Bronx Girl Skate. Same thing on this one right here, Nike SB Bronx Girl Skate. And you guys see unique insoles on these as well. Take a look. I mean, these are crazy. I'll show you all those more in depth in a sec. But look at, again, the text that we have right there. Here, I'll flip it so you guys can actually take a quick little read. There you guys go, as y'all can see. Messages from Carter, and I believe another Nike skater as well. Could be wrong. Yeah, there's another skater in there as well. It says, then coming together as family and moving like family. I'm missing part of the quote, but here, we'll just take these out. So you guys can see again what it says on one of the insoles right there. So you guys can see it says, soy porque tomos. I could be wrong on that, but that's just what I'm reading right there. It says, I am because we are. So that's from Carter, right? It's just, if this will focus, I don't know. There you go. So you guys can see the quote, the overall message that we got right there. So I am because we are. That's from Carter. And you guys can see it kind of shows the atlas, or a little bit like a map right there, right? And then when we go to this one right here, you guys can see what it says. So it says, we all come from different backgrounds, and nothing is more important than coming together as family and moving like family. And that is from I think that says Mia Ruiz. I'm probably butchering that. I can't read the handwriting. I'm so sorry. But you guys can see what it says right there on this one right here as well. So another really clean look. Here's what we got on both the insoles. As you guys can see, both of them right here, back to back. So that's the overall look of the insoles right there. As you guys can see, pretty clean. I like, again, when we get unique details like this, it makes the sneaker stand out and makes it memorable as well. You remember shoes like this. So that's what I could say again about the unique insoles. Everything else, let me know what y'all think about this pair right here. And what we're gonna do is do a little on-feet portion right now, show y'all again what they look like when I'm just out and about wearing them around. So let's get it, and we'll do that right now, and I'll see you on the outro as well. Yo, so I'm just shooting this off my phone right now, so my bad if the footage is a bit grainy, but loving these up close. And another detail I want to show you guys is actually on the laces right here. So you guys can see what it says. It says Bronx Girls Skate here on the laces. So don't forget, that's another unique detail. And here in the inside of the tongue tag, as you guys can see, it says Bronx Girls Skate. So just wanted to show you all a couple of the details I forgot to show real quick on the live. There and there. Thought that was pretty cool. That's on actually both of them on the inside, so don't sleep. So taking a quick look at these on feet again, I'm going to show y'all better, more detailed looks momentarily, and ignore the orange socks, all right? They actually kind of work because you got orange on the toe box. But that's aside from the point. You guys see the Bronx Girls Skate on the laces, the overall black leather look. I think the main reason I like these is, again, that black leather. For some reason, that's winning me over. I really like how that's hitting. Just a clean sneaker overall. You guys can also see the Bronx Girls Skate, which again is on the tongue tag, laces, right there, the abbreviation, which is present on both. Just a really nice shoe, and actually they're comfy. So I'm a bit surprised by that. I was expecting they were going to be a bit uncomfy by right here. They might be in a bit. I've only been wearing them for like 2 minutes, but yeah, man. Clean pair. Big fan of these. We're going to share all some more detailed looks, and make sure y'all go check out the review on these the other day, the Krampus. All right, that's out on the channel as well. So on-feet video, don't sleep. A couple early pairs this week, so I hope y'all will enjoy that. Thank y'all for supporting. But aside from everything I just mentioned, let's do some more detailed looks without me yapping over it. And yeah, we'll just do that when I'm out and about doing my daily stuff. But the black leather look, yeah, you're winning me over with that. These are nice. That's the main thing I can say is, yeah, these, for me, they're a go. I'm a big fan. So be ready in December if you want them for retail. All right, so as you guys can see, just taking a quick second, been wearing these for a couple hours now. They're actually, it's not like the Krampus yesterday. The Krampus SBs yesterday were hurting my feet. I think I just got too small of a size on those, so we'll work on that. But these are feeling super comfy. You guys see the tongue tag, Bronx Girls Skate. You have that in the laces as well. And then just that black leather look overall on the sneaker, man, is super, super nice, clean. Probably my favorite part about the sneaker is just, again, this kind of like outside look, the mismatching. You know what I mean? Look at that. Outside of both sneakers is different. So it's probably my favorite part about these is just the fact that, again, they are mismatching. Hopefully I'm not holding my camera upside down right now as well. But we're going to do some better B-roll shots. I'll keep walking around in these, show y'all what they look like. But overall, first thing I can tell you guys is they're comfortable and, well, nice and easy to wear. Can't go wrong with that. All right, so here's a bit of a better look, as you guys can see. So inside, on feet, these are nice. I mean, they're comfy. I've been wearing them for probably about 4 hours now. No complaints. You guys see inside of the tongue tag, Bronx Girls Skate Club. See the same thing that's right here on the top of the toe box as well. That kind of like abbreviation. It's really nice, kind of black leather though, and it's comfy too. So yeah, I'll take it, man. But that's a little just quick little review, honestly. If you just want to know what they feel like on feet, they're comfy and they mismatch. All right, so as you guys can see, warm for a bit right here. Super, super clean. Love the look on these. The only thing is they do make noise when you're walking because, you know that? It goes up and down when you're walking. So you could cut that off. I mean, it looks like that's an option. So if you want to do that, go ahead. But yeah. Super, super clean. As you guys can see, really, really like what we got. Take a look overall. Mismatching. I'm getting some better lighting so you guys can more or less see what I'm saying. It's just a nice pair. And look, not like they don't really crease like that because of the choice of leather. These are nice, man. So just be ready for the Bronx Girls. December 2025. This SB Dunk Low will be dropping. Anyways, guys, I hope y'all did enjoy this video right here on a quick little early on-feet review for the Bronx Girls Skate SB Dunk Low. Keep in mind, these are going to be dropping in December, so make sure you guys are ready for this pair. Just such a crazy pair to add to the collection. I'm really happy to have these in my collection a little bit early, and thank you guys for supporting the channel, man. If y'all want any more, on-feet looks, anything like that, just let me know. We can get it done. I'll have some content for these and the Krampus SB Dunk Low on my Instagram this week, and the Nard Wars. I should have something for the Nard War SB early next week. So if you're interested in that, just stay tuned. Your time is coming on that, I promise. And yeah, that actually releases on the way pretty soon, so we're excited for that as well. But let me know what you guys think again about these in the comments. You can check out my Instagrams, One Down Lives, any of that down below in the pinned comments. We do tons of stuff there every single day. So if you ever want to come by some or just see some of the other content we post, check that all out there. And of course, on the One Down Lives, we've been grinding there lately. So hey, I really do appreciate you guys that supporting us there. Help support the business and everything we've been doing. Help us get more early pairs, you know what I mean? So that's it, y'all. I really do appreciate everything that you guys have done for us. And let me know your thoughts on this pair right here. Do you like it or do you not? Hey, let me know. Is it go or is it not? Hey, that's it. All right. I'm T. Thank you guys. We'll catch y'all on the next early SB Dunk Low video, which will be pretty soon. We'll have another. We'll have the Nard Wars a little bit early, hopefully on time. I'm going to get my guy to hopefully ship them to me today. I'm actually going to text him right now. So let's do that. All right. I'll see you guys in the next one. And catch y'all then. Peace out.